Ratchet Couture. And going up against Ratchet Couture, none other than Shilo Euchre. After this, we are moving back to the Fursuit Division semi-finals. So, on deck, please put your fursuits on. Black and Blue Bruisers and Grumpy Dogs. So, Ratchet Couture, are we ready? Shilo Euchre, are we ready? DJ, are we ready? Let's do this! Alright, teams to your sides, please. Judges, you ready? Alright, say if they count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, Ratchet Couture takes it.